Hello everyone, welcome to Learning from Home channel. Now in this video we are going to talk about comments. Comment is very important in creating document. Now when creating documents, you need an explanation to some certain point, and that is why comments are there. Now comments are there to explain or to give more explanation to what you're doing. So how can you insert, edit or delete comments in Excel sheet? Now you're going to do that. So first you're going to insert new comment. So let's say with this Monday you're going to insert new comment here. So just click on the cell you want to insert a comment. Click on it. Now go to the review tab. So you have the home tab. Now go to review tab. Now go to new comment. Now new comment. So it asks you Microsoft Office user. So no, I'd like to make it so this is first Monday, so I'll type in the first, that's the comment title. So first Monday. So I'll type in this Monday is going to be an exciting day, right? Let me add a day. Okay, an exciting day. Okay, so this is the comment. Now when done, you can still add more. So can still add new comment to the January, and so and write January 2022. You can write the first month of the year. Okay, so you can still write this. Okay. Now Tuesday, can also add Tuesday, and or you can also write the birthday. So this yes, so ends on Tuesday. You see, so you can write a lot comments. So now you have 3 comments over here, and you can decide to November, and you can just add comments. So okay, so let's. So I never knew. I was born in November. Okay, so let's say now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 comments. So that's a way to insert comments. Now how can you view comments? Now in order to view the comment, just put the mouse on, and it tells you it's going to show the comment for you to see. So you have comments here. Now there's the first Monday, now this Tuesday, now this January, and the last one is what? November. So that is it. Now how can you show all comments? Before we come to delete comments, how can you show all comments? So in order to show all comments, go to the same review tab. Now click on show all comments. As soon as you click on show all comments, see all the comment that you have in that document is going to be shown. Now you have it over here. Now how can you delete comment over here? How can you delete? Now in order to delete comment, if you want to unshow, just click on to just take it off. Now if you want to delete it, click on the cell which has the comment. Now go to the same review tab. Now click on delete. Now it's gone. And just go by there and click on delete, and it's gone. So that is a way to insert comments, edit comments, delete comments, and show a comment. Now if you want to edit comment, it's so simple. Now when it's popped up, just click on that and start editing. Okay, so that is it for today, and thank you guys for watching. Make sure you add comments to the document you create to make it more meaningful as well. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.